Today's gospel is the encounter between Simon Peter, and Jesus after the resurrection. But maybe it's good to understand that before the crucifixion of Jesus, Jesus had told Peter that he will deny him 3 times. And that's exactly what had happened, even though Jesus had told him well in advance. So Peter goes and denies Jesus 3 times. But this is after resurrection. Jesus, can you imagine Peter, the embarrassment, the shame, the guilt of denying Jesus, and now meeting the risen Lord, this encounter? And maybe Peter must be thinking, what is going to happen? What is Jesus going to say to him? But see what the question Jesus is asking. Jesus is just asking, Peter, do you love me? And then Simon Peter says, yes, Lord. He's very confident. He says, yes, Lord, you know I love you. And second time, Jesus asks him the same question, do you love me? And Peter is maybe this time a little bit shaky, but he still says, yes, Lord, you know I love you. And then Jesus asks him the same question third time, Simon, son of John, do you love me? And this time, the gospel says Peter was upset that Jesus asked him the same question the third time. And see his response at the third time. Jesus says he knows, God knows everything about him. God knows his life, what has happened. So Peter says to Jesus, he says, Lord, you know everything. You know I love you. Maybe when we come to Mass, our life is open in God's presence, so God knows everything about us. And maybe the risen Lord is asking the same question which he asked to Peter. Do you love me? Maybe 3 times. And maybe safely we can say like Peter, Lord, you know everything about my life. You know I love you.